In news overseas, the biggest obstacle seen on our way towards a sustainable energy-based future is the problem of energy storage. Of all the energy generated by solar panels, wind turbines, ocean waves, and other sources, only a small fraction is stored because today's batteries are still not very efficient. So a group of researchers from several U.S. and Chinese universities say we should try to mimic nature. VOA's George Pudick has this report.
All sources of non-polluting sustainable energy have certain deficiencies. Wind turbines work only when there's wind. Solar cells work only when the sun shines. And the best and also most expensive ones are only about 20% efficient. Boston College professor Dongwei Wang says there's also the problem of long-term storage.
One way to do that would be to connect a solar panel with a battery. But in order to power the entire country or the entire planet, we just simply don't have enough battery materials for this purpose.
But nature created its own solar cells, as well as the method for storing energy. Every single plant leaf uses the process called photosynthesis to harvest energy from the sun, turn it into chemical energy, so-called solar fuel, and burn it or store it for later use. This process is too slow for our power-hungry world. But Professor Wang says a new catalyst could boost the artificial photosynthesis and more efficiently use the sun's energy to split water into oxygen and hydrogen. The latter could be used in fuel cells to produce energy.
What we discovered appears to be one of the best catalysts that can do this reaction. So in other words, we make it a lot easier to extract electrons from water, and in the process generating oxygen, and the electrons can be used to reduce hydrogen, to reduce water to produce hydrogen, or to reduce carbon dioxide.
Further research is required, but scientists say there is hope that the new catalyst could be used on an industrial scale and thus contribute to the general trend towards reducing our dependence on fossil fuels.